What's up everybody, in today's video we are going to learn how to make the dual light effect in Photoshop, where you can just take an image and give it this dual light effect that wasn't there before. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. Make sure that you are using a black background image. Most times you can just mask out the image and make sure that you are placing it on a black background to give it this effect. This is going to give you more better results than using other pictures. So once you're here, all you need to do is to go to the adjustment layer and go to gradient, okay? And this is going to come up. Change the angle here to 0 and click on somewhere here. This is going to bring another panel and click on this. In case you don't have this color, you can just go to the RGB folder of your colors and just pick the blue, and click OK here and click OK here. So you can take this layer and hit Ctrl J on your keyboard to make a duplicate and double click on this panel here, on the layer here. Come to this part again and let's just change it to red, okay? And let's take red, okay? And let's click OK. So on this one, okay, let's click OK here first. On this number, we're going to click 180 so that it can actually reverse the angle, and just click OK. So once you're done, select both the layer and go to the adjustment mode and take it to color, okay? Once you're done, this is pretty much it. This is done. But let's say you want to reverse it, okay? One of the cool way that I actually use in reversing it to group these two layers by hitting Ctrl G on your keyboard once both are selected. And once you're done like this, hit Ctrl J on your keyboard. This is going to make another duplicate, and this can even make your design even look more sharp or make the color even pop more. So let's take on this layer and say merge group, okay? And now we can turn off this second group and we can come here now and click on color again, and on this layer click Ctrl T and you can just come here and say invert horizontally. So this is going to switch the color, but remember this is already a layer that you can just adjust. You can actually just save this and place it in your design whenever you need it, but that is not what we're doing in this tutorial. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 59 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.